Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented Union Budget for 2023-24 in Parliament today. She said that India's economy is on the right track and is heading towards a bright future despite challenging times. In Uttarakhand, all schools in disaster-affected Joshimath have opened from today. Maldives President Ibrahim Mohamed Solih has said that his country's partnership with India, built on mutual trust and respect, has had a renewed impetus during the past 4 years. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have expressed grief over the demise of senior advocate Shanti Bhushan. The third and final T20 international between India and New Zealand will be played in Ahmedabad today.